Hello all. What is boiling? Boiling occurs when the vapor pressure encounters an equal pressure from the surroundings, and the liquid that produces the vapor must continue to draw heat from the heat source. Boiling is the production of vapor from the entire mass of a liquid, while vaporization occurs from the surface of the liquid only. In this experiment we see that the pressure continues to rise. But why? Since the liquid continues to absorb heat, it will continue to produce vapor. This vapor consists of atoms that increase in number and thus increase their pressure on the space containing them. Since the space has a fixed volume and cannot expand, the pressure will continue to increase as long as the space can hold. According to gas laws, if the volume increases, the pressure decreases, so while continuing to produce vapor, we can allow the space to expand by an external force in order to maintain a constant pressure. Then boiling begins, which is the production of a large amount of vapor at a constant pressure and temperature. Now we will see how boiling takes place under atmospheric pressure. Therefore, we must understand the terms partial pressure of water vapor, partial pressure of air, and finally total pressure, which is equal to their sum. But be careful, only absolute pressure should be used when we talk about the mixture of air and water vapor, which is called humid air. This vessel is open and connected to atmospheric pressure. The yellow balls represent air atoms. At low temperatures, the vapor atoms have some force to push and displace some air atoms, and since they displace them, the total pressure does not change. Here we note the term relative humidity, which is the ratio of the current partial pressure of water vapor to the saturation pressure of water vapor at each temperature, taking into account the temperature of the air inside the container is the same as the temperature of the vapor. In this experiment, the water vapor pressure is always equal to the saturation pressure, so we always see the relative humidity as 100%. Anyway, we will talk later about psychrometric processes. As the temperature rises, the vapor atoms have greater force to push a larger amount of air atoms. This process continues up to 100 degrees Celsius, where the partial pressure of water vapor is equal to the surrounding atmospheric pressure. Here, the vapor has sufficient force to push all the air atoms out, and only the vapor remains inside the container. Now we move on to our experience, and we can easily understand how boiling occurs when the lid of the pot is lifted. It must be emphasized that the atmospheric pressure in the experiment is at sea level and equals 1.013 bar, but if we conduct the experiment on the top of Mount Everest, for example, at an altitude of 8,000 meters above sea level, boiling will occur at about 77 degrees Celsius, where the atmospheric pressure is about 0.4 bar. That's all for today, thank you for watching. In the next video we will talk about the pressure cooker and how the steam valve works.